And hello there, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is the latest class up armor for the 30 Minutes Fantasy. We have here the Liber Gladiator. Yeah, so this is the class up armor for the Liber Swordsman. So transforming from a swordsman into a gladiator, and yes, now the aesthetic really sells it for a Roman gladiator, some sort of stuff from the a Roman swordsman into a Roman gladiator. That's what you can see on the box art. And yes, this is the second class of armor to be released in a box instead of those previous ones were in they are in plastics, but now they are releasing it in boxes. So I'm not sure if previous class of armors will be re-released as such, but we'll see. And off to the side, here it is, all of the armor contents, how you can see, or the poses of the gladiator, and of course, you can also apply this armor into the different 30 minutes fantasy. Here it is, front and back, some information if you scan the QR code, and opening up and seeing what's inside the box. We are greeted with just one bag, and most of this are already armor for the class up into Liber Gladiator. And of course, we have here the instruction manual, and for the first time, I guess, they are showing all of the elements, or sorry, the elemental cores that we have. Huh. And yep, how you can apply it, not just to the Liber Swordsman, but to the other silhouettes and other, job classes out there. So let's take a look individually at each of the screws. So again, the gold motif continues to this gladiator armor. And we have a spear over there, which is really cementing the Roman gladiator concept. And of course, the red accents is here. And there you have it, 30 minutes fans, folks. That was what's inside the box of the class up armor Liber Gladiator, wherein the Liber Swordsman can be upgraded or classed up into being a gladiator. And yes, it sticks to the aesthetic of having gold armor plates, and this time it has accented with something that's red. Yep. And of course, something new is, aside from the fact that it comes in boxes right now, is they are showing off all the elemental cores in the story right there on the instruction manual. And this is Mixer saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the video, sharing the videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.